This is a carpet, not Persian, I don't know what it is, but it's for a bedroom floor on top of a hardwood floor. I've put, to clean this, I've put OxyClean on top and soaked it for about a minute, but how I'm cleaning it, the dirt that's built up over the month, is I'm using a pressure washer. It's a Simonized 1700 PSI pressure washer. It's like $200, actually about $150 US, $200 Canadian dollars. But if you see, the pressure washer will take all that dirt right off using the nozzle gun. And you can clean it as much as you want to make sure all the dirt is out. I'm not sure if the OxyClean is cleaning it or if it's the pressure of the pressure washer itself. But it seems to be doing a good job of taking all the dirt and grime off it. And then I'm just going to let it hang dry for about I don't know, a day or two in the backyard, and it should be good. But it's probably better than paying professional carpet cleaners to do it. They probably just do the same thing anyway. But it's kind of fun doing the pressure washer. If you have little kids, you just have them play with it, and like a video game, just clean it off. Because they've got video games where they actually work at restaurants and stuff. So this is kind of hard, but I'm just going to press it closer, and I can even adjust the nozzle to make it pointier so it's more concentrated.